different Mushikins products. They had the Mushikins jellies that were sold out. They had
phone. And now I definitely have the rarest phone case in the world.
Also, did you guys know that Series 3 Sticky Rolls bracelets are coming soon? Make sure to grab Series 2 while you can. But...
self.
I'm gonna find the biggest.
Bro, wo ist er?
To me. Hey, that.
Can I have some?
Oh, yes.
I think this counts. World's longest bracelet was a success. Would you wear this bracelet?
God, I'm so.
Whoa.
Step one.
Wow, that actually sounds so good.
Macaron Golem wins. World 2 Bridge wins. Starting with the easiest stage, stage 4.
¡Lo hemos hecho! ¡Lo hemos hecho! ¡No me lo puedo creer! Wieder im Ziel. Wieder vor MBK.
The chicken wing is much harder.
We found it. We made it to stage 10, level 308. We get plus 800. That's almost, wait, we are, let's see. Yeah, 2.53 billion. We now have a plus 100. That would be, what was that, 120 million? God, oh. Bro, I'm so fast. I could.
World 1 Tower 1, follow for more.
Ich bin da! Oh mein Gott! Oh mein Gott! Wo bist du? Nein, nein. Nein, Bro.
Whoa, how does that even work?
Oh, you got it! Oh, you got it!
I win! Ken wins! Im Ziel.